Welcome back to Mels Clever Crafts. This is the day that the Lord has made. Let us rejoice and be glad in it. Rejoicing we will today. So today I am making chicken salad for the first time. Of course, I looked up the recipe, and typical chicken salad has celery. I do not like celery, so I didn't put it in mine. Mine will look different from probably what your chicken salad will look like. So I am going to be putting apples in my chicken salad. As you can see here, I'm peeling the apple. I already core it and I'm using a knife. Again, we do things differently, and that's what I am doing. So I already washed it, peeled it. So now I'm just cutting it up, dicing it up into the smallest pieces that I can, to put into the chicken salad so that it's not overpowering when I put it in there. I do want that crunch from it, the crunch that the celery would give, but I will not be having celery, so my apples will suffice. Next, I will be doing grapes. So I already washed the grapes. As you can see, I already washed them. So don't worry about me just cutting them up. So I'm just cutting those up into like four. I know they have those devices, but I didn't invest in that, so I just use my old trusty knife. And then now I am going to remove just one of the chicken breasts because I don't want to make too much chicken salad and then we don't eat it all. So I'm just going to use one chicken breast. I'll remove the skin. As you can see, I'm removing the skin, and then I'm removing the bones from the breast. And then it has some stray pieces of bone and cartilage and stuff. So I'll remove those, as well as you see I just cut it up, still picking. So I cut those up, and then I got my food processor to use and to chop up the chicken. So I try to make it as even as possible, but being careful not to touch the blade. The blades on these are very sharp. And then I was trying not to cut it too small. I don't want it like shredded completely. So did that. So now I'm adding the mayonnaise. I should have added my chicken first and then add my mayonnaise, but hey, they're all going to be combined anyway. So I added my mayonnaise, and so this is my chicken. This is what it looked like. So I add it into my bowl. Well, that's not my bowl. That's the dish I'm going to like save it in. So I was trying not to use too many vessels, and right now I'm just trying to cut up some chicken that didn't get chopped up in the processor. It was stuck to the side wall of the container. So I'm just trying to mix everything together, incorporate them together. But then I realized it probably would be better to use a bowl. So got a bowl, and then that would make it a little bit easier to mix everything together. And I realized didn't have enough mayonnaise, so just added some more into it. I don't like too much mayonnaise, so it may not be as creamy. And then I just added some Scotch bonnet sauce. The Scotch bonnet pepper is from Jamaica, so I added some sauce to give it a little tang. And then I also added some mustard. Again, this is just my recipe, making it for the first time, things that I like. So add my lettuce, had my little that's the chicken salad after I already I think took some out, and I'm putting it together. That's my sandwich. So I use croissant, lettuce. I didn't feel like having tomatoes, so I didn't add tomatoes. So that's it. Thank you for tuning in, and God bless you.